Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. Today we are going to solve problems from exercise 11.4. So these are based on the trigonometric identities. You have to watch trigonometric identities previous video, then after you can understand the solution of the problems in exercise 11.4 very easily. So see here what he has given. So this is the first problem. Evaluate the following. So there are 3 bits in the first problem. This is the first bit. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So he is asking to find the value of this. So evaluate means we have to find the value. So here first we have to convert tan into sin cos. So sec into cos, like that. So 1 plus how I am writing, see here. We know tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, right? 1 as usual, but this tan theta I am writing as sin theta by cos theta. So we know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta and secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So cos theta and secant theta are the multiplicative inverses. So we can write secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So in the same way, write 1 plus cot theta. We have cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So cosec theta and sin theta are also multiplicative inverses. So now find LCM. So here 1 is there, sin theta by cos theta and 1 by cos theta. So cos theta is the LCM. Here we get cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. So this is the first one. See here cos theta is the LCM. Here 1 into cos theta is cos theta. So sin theta plus 1. So next here same sin theta is the LCM. Here we get sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. So see here now. Observe the numerators and the denominators. I am writing like this. It is just like sin theta plus cos theta plus 1, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So let this sin theta plus cos theta is A and 1 is B. So it is A plus B, it is A minus B. So the numerator is in the form A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So see here just A is cos theta plus sin theta or sin theta plus cos theta, both are same. So sin theta plus cos theta is A. So it is also sin theta plus cos theta. B equal to 1. Then it is in the form A plus B into A minus B. So that is A square minus B square. So using that formula we can get sin theta plus cos theta whole square, sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square divided by, so multiply the denominators, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. So just we have used this formula here. So using this formula we have written A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So now it is in the form A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So using that we have to expand. A square is sin square theta plus B square is cos square theta plus 2AB is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So it is A plus B whole square we have expanded minus 1 square. 1 square is 1 into 1, 1 only. So divided by, write this sin theta plus cos theta as usual. So what is there in the denominator? Sin theta into cos theta. So here we have used this formula. So using this formula we have written a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a is sin theta, b is cos theta. So we have, using trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So I am writing here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. So here write minus 1 as usual, divided by, write this sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so we have very first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So here we have sin square theta plus cos square theta. Instead of this I have written 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta, right, as usual. Write this minus 1 divided by what is there in the denominator, sin theta into cos theta. So here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So in the numerator we have 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta also gets cancelled. We get 2. So this is the value of the given problem. So this is the first bit in the first problem. So next we have to solve second bit. So this is the second bit in the first problem. See here what he is asking. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So we have to find the value of this. So it is in the form a plus b whole square. So see here, using a plus b whole square we have to expand this. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square that is sin square theta plus b square that is cos square theta plus 2ab that is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So here we have used a plus b whole square formula. So the second one is in the form a minus b whole square. So we have a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is sin theta, b is cos theta. So again a square is sin square theta plus b square is cos square theta minus 2ab is 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. So here it is plus term, it is minus term, we can get cancelled. So plus 2 sin theta cos theta, it is minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So just here sin square plus cos square theta equal to 1. So here also sin square plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So very easy. So here two formulas we have applied. What? So using these two formulas we have expanded. So this is the value of the given problem. So the value of sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is 2. So this is the second bit. Next we have to solve third bit. This is the third bit in the first problem. So see here what he has given, secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. So we have to find the value. Secant square theta minus 1 is there. So we have, what is the second identity? 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So here secant square theta is there. Instead of secant square theta I am writing tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta. So next minus 1 is there, write minus 1. So the third identity, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So here cosec square theta is there. I want to write it is as 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Write minus 1 as usual. So here we have applied 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, comma 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So using these two we have written. So instead of secant square theta I have written 1 plus tan square theta. Instead of cosecant square theta I have written 1 plus cot square theta. So here plus 1 no minus 1 gets cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So here tan square theta is there. Write tan square theta into So here cot square theta is there, write cot square theta. So next it is very easy, write tan square theta as usual. So but we have cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So cot square theta can be written as 1 by tan square theta. So tan square theta gets cancelled, we get 1. So this is the third bit in the first problem. Very easy, just you have to remember the formulas and you have to practice. So not only this is the only way to find the solution, there are so many methods to solve these problems. So which is easy and which is comfort to us, remember that you have to select. So this is very easy method. So next we have to solve second problem. This is the second problem in exercise 11.4. See here what he is asking. Show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So these problems are very important. Definitely you can get 1 4-mark problem from exercise 11.4. Not only problems given in exercise 11.4, just you have to go through the examples also, very important. Okay, so this is a given. We have to show this by taking LHS. We can get RHS. So first take LHS. What is LHS? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So from the LHS we have to get RHS here. So just I am writing cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So cosec theta and sin theta are the reciprocals. So multiplicative inverses. So we can write cot theta can be written as a cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta whole square. So see here what I did. Cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. So now, so here the numerator becomes 1 minus cos theta by the denominator is sin theta whole square. So since the denominators are same, we can subtract the numerators. So apply the square for both numerator and denominator. The numerator becomes 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. So just I have applied the square for both numerator and the denominator. So in the numerator we get 1 minus cos theta whole square. In the denominator we get a sin square theta. So write the numerator as usual, 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by. So here sin square theta, we have 1 plus we have sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So see here what we get. So here the numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square is there. I am writing 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Since it has square, I have written 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So just you think that it is in the form 1 square. 1 can be written as 1 square. So it is in the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b is 1 plus cos theta into a minus b is 1 minus cos theta. So since here we have applied a square minus b square is equal to, so using this formula we have written the denominator. So just you think that it is a square 1 square minus b square cos square theta. So here 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta gets cancelled. So what is there in the numerator? 1 minus cos theta by what is there in the denominator? 1 plus cos theta. So this we have to prove. It is nothing but RHS. It is nothing but RHS. So this is RHS. So hence proved. In problem in exercise 11.4. So that's all today's class. I will meet in the next problem. Thanks for watching. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. Today we are going to solve problems from exercise 11.4. This is third problem. Show that square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. So it is also important problem. So first, by taking LHS we have to find RHS. So from the LHS we get RHS. LHS is what? Square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. So when you are find a square root term in the denominator, just you have to rationalize it. So rationalizing the denominator. So what is the denominator? Square root of 1 minus sin a. So what is the rationalizing factor? Square root of 1 plus sin a. So we have to multiply and divide by square root of 1 plus sin a. So for that what we get, see here, so LHS is equal to, so here already 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is there. So now we have to multiply and divide by square root of 1 plus sin a. Square root of 1 plus sin a by square root of 1 plus sin a again. So here since square root 1 minus sin a, there is square root 1 minus sin a in the denominator, the rationalizing factor of square root 1 minus sin a is square root 1 plus sin a. Hence we have to multiply and divide by square root 1 plus sin a. So here now just it is a square root 1 plus sin a. We have to divide this square root for both numerator and the denominator. Square root of 1 plus sin a divided by, what is there here? Square root of 1 minus sin a. So into, write this as well, square root of 1 plus sin a divided by square root of 1 plus sin a. So now the numerator, square root 1 plus sin a into square root 1 plus sin a, we can get square root 1 plus sin a whole square. Square root 1 plus sin a whole square. So it is there is two terms. So here there are two terms, we can write square. So it is in the form a minus b into a plus b, we can get a square minus b square. So that is square root of a square is 1 square minus b square is sin square a. Okay, so just here we have applied so a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So here a square root gets cancelled. So 1 plus sin a is there. What is there in the numerator? Just we have 1 plus sin a in the numerator divided by square root of, here 1 square is 1 minus sin square a. Minus sin square a. Okay, so just I have written 1 square as 1 minus, right, sin square a as usual. So 1 plus sin a by, right, again 1 plus sin a by square root of 1 minus sin a. Square root of 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. So square root again root gets cancelled, since here 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a. So here again square root gets cancelled. So now we have 1 plus sin a by cos a. 1 plus sin a by cos a. 1 plus sin a by cos a. So just now we have to divide. So write it is 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a. So divide the two terms by cos a. So it is 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. So we know 1 by cos a is equal to secant a or sec a plus sin a by cos a equal to tan a. So which is it is nothing but RHS. What it is? RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. We got by taking LHS we got RHS. So this is very important. This is third problem in exercise 11.4. So next we have to solve fourth problem. So this is fourth problem from exercise 11.4. See here what he is asking. Show that 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. So by taking LHS again we get RHS. Very easy. Just in single step we can get the answer. So but very important for 1 mark or 2 marks problem. So many times he asked in the examination. So just this is LHS. 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1. This is LHS. So now write the numerator as usual. So write it is 1 minus tan square a, write as usual, 1 minus tan square a, write as usual, divided by, in the denominator cot square a is there. So we have cot a equal to 1 by tan a. So cot a and tan a, these two are the multiplicative inverses. We know cot a equal to 1 by tan a. Cot square a is there, we can write 1 by tan square a, 1 by tan square a. So next write minus 1 as usual. Just I have written this cot square a as 1 by tan square a. So now again write the numerator as usual, 1 minus tan square a, write as usual, divided by, here find LCM. So 1 minus tan square a, we get 1 minus tan square a by tan square a. 1 minus tan square a by tan square a. So here tan square a is LCM, here we can get 1, here tan square a. So here write the numerator as usual, 1 minus tan square a, write as usual. And for this divided by write into and write the reciprocal. So that is we can get tan square a by, what is the reciprocal? Tan square a by 1 minus tan square a. So see here, just write this 1 minus tan square a as usual. For this divided by we have to write into, whenever we write into, just we have to write the reciprocal. So that is numerator as denominator and denominator as is numerator. We can get tan square a by 1 minus tan square a. So here these two gets cancelled. So finally we get this is tan square a. So it is nothing but RHS. This tan square a is RHS. So this we have to find. So this is tan square a. So this is fourth problem in exercise 11.4. That's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with another problem. Thanks for watching. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. Today we are going to solve problems from exercise 11.4. This is fifth problem. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. So again by taking LHS we have to find RHS. So see here LHS is what? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So it is also very important for 2 marks problem. So see here how can we find? Just find LCM. So cos theta is the LCM. So we get here 1, here cos theta into cos theta, we get cos square theta divided by cos theta. So see here cos theta is the LCM, here we get 1. So here cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta divided by cos theta. So using first trigonometric identity, we have 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. So here I am writing, instead of 1 minus cos square theta, we can write sin square theta divided by what is there here, write as usual, cos theta. So here 1 minus cos square theta equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta, sin square theta. So this sin square theta I am writing as sin theta into sin theta. So first sin theta divided by cos theta, write as usual. So again 1 sin theta, one more is there. Sin square theta can be written as sin theta into sin theta. So we have sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So this can be written as a tan theta. So that is a tan theta. So into sin theta. Tan theta into sin theta. So this we have to show. So tan theta into sin theta. So it is nothing but RHS. So hence we have shown. So this is a fifth problem in exercise 11.4. Next we have to solve sixth problem. This is sixth problem in exercise 11.4. See here what he is asking. Simplify secant a into 1 minus sin a into secant a plus tan a. So he is asking to simplify. So he has given secant a into 1 minus sin a into secant a plus tan a. So just I am multiplying secant a into 1 minus sin a. These two I am multiplying. So secant a into 1 we can get secant a. Secant a into 1 we get a secant a minus secant a into sin a. Secant a into sin a. So just I am multiplying these two. Is it clear? So just multiply these two. Secant a into 1 secant a minus secant a into sin a, secant a into sin a. Write this second one as usual. Secant a plus tan a, write as usual. Secant a plus tan a. Secant a plus tan a. So now see here, write secant a as usual. But this secant a can be written as 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a. So I am writing it as 1 by cos a. Here what is there? Sin a is there. 1 by cos a. Here sin a is there. So write here secant a plus tan a as usual. Secant a plus tan a, write as usual. So just one more step I want to write here. Write secant a. So it becomes 1 into sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a. So see here. I have written secant a is 1 by cos a into sin a. Write this term as usual. Secant a write as usual minus 1 into sin a by cos a, and write this as usual again. Secant a plus tan a. Here also write as usual. Secant a plus tan a. Secant a plus tan a. So here next term secant a write as usual, but this sin a by cos a we have tan a. Sin a by cos a is equal to tan a. So I am writing tan a into, write this secant a plus tan a as usual. Secant a plus tan a. So now these two are in the form a minus b into a plus b. So we have a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. But here a is secant a, b is tan a. So here we can write a secant square a minus tan square a. Secant square a minus tan square a. Secant square a minus tan square a, since a minus b into a plus b. So using this formula we have written a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So a square is secant square a minus b square is tan square a. So we have, using the second trigonometric identity, 1 plus tan square a equal to secant square a. So secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. From the second trigonometric identity we get secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. So since using second trigonometric identity we have secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. So this is the sixth problem in exercise 11.4. That's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with another problem. Thanks for watching. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. Now we are going to solve problems from exercise 11.4. This is seventh problem. See here what he is asking. Prove that sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. very important problem. So many times he asked for 4 marks. So see here how can we prove it. By taking LHS, again we have to find RHS. So this is LHS. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. So this is LHS he has given. So the first one is in the form of A plus B whole square. We have A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. But here A is sin A, B is cosec A. Now I want to expand the first term using A plus B whole square. See here A square we get sin square A plus B square we get cosec square A plus 2AB. So we have sin A into cosec A. So just I have expanded it using A plus B whole square. So A square is sin square A, B square is cosec square A, 2AB is 2 into sin A into cosec A. So the second term is also in the form of A plus B whole square, but here A is cos A, B is sec A. So again we have to expand using A plus B whole square. So A square we get cos square A plus B square we get secant square A plus 2AB. So 2 cos A into secant A. So just we have expanded using A plus B whole square. So now what we have to do is see here, just write this sin square A plus cos square A together. So I want to write these two together. So see here what we get. Write sin square A plus cos square A. So we have cosec square A. So using third trigonometric identity, cot square A plus 1 equal to cosec square A. Cot square A plus 1 equal to cosec square A. Using instead of cosec square A, I am writing cot square A plus 1. Cot square A plus 1. So cot square A plus 1 I am writing instead of cosec square A. I have written cot square A plus 1. So here 2 sin A into cosec A I am writing 2 sin A into cosec A is 1 by sin A. Cosec A and sin A are the multiplicative inverses. We can write cosec A as 1 by sin A. Cosec A can be written as 1 by sin A. So plus what is there here? Write secant square A. Again by using second trigonometric identity, 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. So instead of secant square A, I am writing 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. So next what is there? Write 2 cos A and secant A. Instead of secant A, I am writing cos A again. So we have sec A is equal to 1 by cos A or secant A equal to 1 by cos A. So see here we have applied these formulas since I am writing cosec square A equal to cosec square A equal to cot square A plus 1. Cot square A plus 1 I have applied, and here secant square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. So using these two formulas I have written. So we have sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Sin square A plus cos square equal to 1. So I am writing this instead of sin square A plus cos square A I have written 1 using first trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, but here angle A is there, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So I am writing cot square theta, cot square A right as usual, cot square A right as usual. So again plus 1 is there here, right, plus 1 as usual. So plus here sin A gets cancelled, 2 into 1 we have 2. So plus 1 is there again, what is there, plus 1 is there. Plus again write this tan square A as usual, write this tan square A as usual. So here also we gets cancelled, cos A and cos A, cos A and cos A gets cancelled. 2 into 1 is 2 again, 2 into 1 is 2. So just to add all the numbers, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7. So we get a 7 plus first I am writing tan square A, next then after cot square A, then after tan square A plus cot square A. So this we have to prove. So it is nothing but RHS. So this is nothing but RHS. So we have proved, hence proved. Therefore we have to write hence proved. In the problem, so many times he asked for 4 marks. So just you have to practice 3-4 times so you can do your own. So this is 7th problem in exercise 11.4. Next you have to solve 8th problem. This is 8th problem in exercise 11.4. See here what he is asking. Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So how can we simplify? See here, this he has given 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So observe these first two terms, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. These two are in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So we know a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. But here instead of a we have 1, instead of b we have cos theta. So we can write using a square minus b square, 1 square minus cos square theta. We can write it as a square is 1 square minus b square is cos square theta. So using we have written using a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So write the third term 1 plus cot square theta, write as usual. Write this 1 plus cot square theta as usual. So see here, just we have written using, so using this formula we have written a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So here 1 square is 1 into 1, 1 minus cos square theta, write as usual, cos square theta. So 1 square is 1 into 1, we get 1 minus cos square theta. So here 1 plus, we have cot theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. So cot square theta is there, we can get cos square theta by sin square theta. Here we get cos square theta by sin square theta. So instead of cot theta we can write, so instead of cot theta we can write cos square theta by sin square theta. So here 1 minus cos square theta, using first trigonometric identity, 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Here it is sin square theta. So find LCM here, we get sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta, divided by sin square theta. Just we have found LCM here, sin square theta into 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta. So here we can write 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Sin square theta gets cancelled. We have sin square theta plus cos square theta. So here what is there? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So it is a very first trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is the first trigonometric identity. Since we have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So the value of the given problem is equal to 1. So like this we can simplify. So this is 8th problem in exercise 11.4. That's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with another problem. Thanks for watching. Hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. Today we are going to solve problems from exercise 11.4. This is the 9th problem. See here what he has given and what he is asking to find as if secant theta plus tan theta equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? So here it has given secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. So let it is equation number 1. So we have from the second trigonometric identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. From this we get a secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So here it is in the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square can be written as a minus b into a plus b. So here a is secant theta, b is a tan theta. So I am writing as a minus b can be written as a secant theta minus tan theta into a plus b is a secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. So but from equation 1 we have secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. So write this secant theta minus tan theta as usual, secant theta minus tan theta, but instead of secant theta plus tan theta I am writing P is equal to 1, since from equation 1, So now take P to the right side, we get secant theta minus tan theta equal to secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. So here P is multiplying, if you take to the right side it divides. So we have secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. So this is very important. Every time he is asking either for 1 mark or sometimes he is asking for objective type only. So this is 9th problem. So next we have to solve 10th problem. This is 10th problem from exercise 11.4. Very important problem. So many times he asked for 4 marks. So just it looks like a lengthy problem but very easy. Again there are so many methods to solve this problem. So see here, this is which is easy we have selected. See here what he is asking. If cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So what he has given to us, cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, he has given to us, let it is equation number 1. So we have, according to third trigonometric identity, cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosecant square theta. Therefore cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So using third trigonometric identity we can write cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So the LHS is in the form a square minus b square. So we know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here a is cosec theta, b is cot theta. So a minus b is cosec theta minus cot theta into a plus b is cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. But from equation 1 we have cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. So just I am writing, see here, cosec theta minus cot theta into, instead of cosec theta plus cot theta I am writing k is equal to 1, since from equation 1, So from equation 1 we have cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. So instead of cosec theta plus cot theta I have written k. So just take k to the right side. So we get a cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to, here 1 by is there, k is multiplying, if you take to the right side it becomes 1 by k. So let it is equation number 2. So cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, then we have cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. This is equation number 2. So by adding equations 1 and 2, what we get, see here I am adding equations 1 and 2. So by adding equations 1 and 2, By adding equations 1 and 2, we get, so this is 1 cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So this is equation 2, cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. So just we have to add these two equations. So plus cot theta minus cot theta gets cancelled. Cosec theta plus cosec theta, 2 cosec theta, 2 into cosec theta is equal to here k plus 1 by k, k plus 1 by k. So 2 cosec theta equal to k plus 1 by k. So see here what we get, 2 cosec theta equal to, so find LCM here, k into k we get k square plus 1 by k. So k square plus 1 by k, it is 2 cosec theta. So take 2 to the right side, we get cosec theta value. So cosec theta equal to, so here already k square plus 1 is there by k in the denominator. Take 2, so it divides. So if you take 2 to the right side, it divides. So we get cosec theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. So this is the value of cosec theta. Sometime he asks up to cosec theta only, you have to stop here. So but here we have to find the cos theta value. Let it is equation number 3. So now we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. We have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1, then we get cot theta value. So see here, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So see here, so subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. What is equation 1? Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. 1. So next, what is equation 2? Cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. So now we have to subtract. So upon subtraction, it becomes minus, it becomes plus, it becomes minus. So cosec theta minus cosec theta gets cancelled. Cot theta plus cot theta, we get 2 into cot theta is equal to, so here k minus 1 by k, we get k minus 1 by k. So 2 into cot theta equal to what? K minus 1 by k. So just to find LCM, we get 2 cot theta is equal to, so by LCM, k into k, k square minus 1 by k. This is the value of 2 cot theta. So k into k, k square minus 1 by k. So by taking 2, we get cot theta value. So let see here what we get. By taking 2 to the right side, what we get, see here, cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. So here 2 is multiplying, if you take to the right side, it divides. Let it is equation number 4. So we have cosec theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k, cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. So by dividing equation 4 by equation 3, we get, see here. So this is equation 4. So on the left hand side, we have cot theta. So in equation 3 on the left hand side, we have cosec theta is equal to. So on the right hand side in equation 4, we have k square minus 1 by 2k by, on the right hand side, we have k square plus 1 by 2k in equation 3. Okay. So see here, how can we write it? Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta can be written as a cos theta by sin theta divided by cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. See here, cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So is equal to, so here 2k gets cancelled in the denominator. So we have k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So here in the denominator sin theta gets cancelled. So we have cos theta by 1, that is cos theta only. Cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1, that we have to prove. So this is a 10th problem in exercise 11.4. There are totally 10 problems. We have completed all the 10 problems. So total chapter we have completed, trigonometry total chapter. So if you don't watch previous videos, open playlist, you can find each and every video. So all chapters. So in the next class we will start one more chapter. Thanks for watching.